In a quiet London neighborhood, a chilling scene unfolded one night. A doorbell camera, like a watchful eye, recorded the events. 4 sinister men, hidden behind menacing masks, gathered. Armed and dangerous, they plotted to invade a home. Their nefarious plans were abruptly disrupted when the homeowner awoke. With a powerful scream, she sent the intruders fleeing in terror. Thankful for this intervention, one can only imagine the unimaginable consequences that could have occurred. A woman's unsettling behavior was caught on a doorbell camera. Prepare to witness the inexplicable spectacle. It's truly unnerving.
I really idiots. I was like sitting. I don't know what the fuck you're saying, but you don't take no look.
Hello?
Okay, hi. I played some girls out confused. I mean, the girls out confused. Can I come in?
You can't come in.
Please, I mean, I couldn't even, but okay. I respond to the wall. I'm really okay. I'm just freezing outside. I'm all by myself. I haven't been weeks. Alright, I've just been in prison, kind of. But anyways, y'all have a good night. See you later, and bye.
The doorbell camera recorded something spooky. An intruder, at around midnight, boldly demands car keys from the homeowner. In the dark of night, a lady appears, wearing a bizarre expression, and tries desperately to break into the garage.
Hi, Jeffrey. What are you doing here? Oh my goodness, you got me fucked. What are you doing? Pull yourself together.
Get close to the screen.
Okay, I'm coming. Mami, no me dejes, tengo miedo.
The doorbell camera recorded a profoundly eerie clown with an unsettling appearance on the doorstep of this house. The intentions of the clown remain shrouded in mystery, but there is a palpable sense of foreboding, suggesting the presence of a sinister agenda waiting to unfold. Beware the mysterious intentions of this eerie clown. In Fort Lauderdale, Florida, a worried man arrived with the police, desperately searching for his vanished wife. The doorbell camera had captured something unusual. Later, his phone alerted him to her supposed location, but the eerie circumstances only heightened the suspense.
I mean, that raises more of an alarm, doesn't it?
What, that it's your wife?
Yeah.
It's your wife. I mean, it's important.
If no one's here?
It's not.
Hello? Hello? Yeah. Can we help
for
you?
Ottawa? Yes,
For
I'm
who?
looking for Ottawa. Ottawa.
Oh, no, buddy, I think you have the wrong address. My name is Frank. What's up?
No, my wife went missing a few hours ago, so I'm just looking for her. And her phone was tracked to this complex. I'm not sure which.
Yeah, there's four units. We're not home right now. There's 4 units in this complex, so it might be one of the other ones. Okay.
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 Good night.
Good luck, man.
You too, man.
The video reveals a man with his hands and feet tied, and he's hopping around like a bunny on a pogo stick.
Hello?
Hey, can you please help me? Can you please help me?
No, you need to leave.
Look, man. Look, can you please help?
What in the world is going on here? One thing's for sure, it's a bizarre mystery. In California, something really strange happened. A person believed a house was their own, maybe because it reminded them of their childhood home.
Can you leave, please? No, we don't want any, thank you.
Oh, hi, how you doing?
No, we're calling the police.
What's your name, sir? You calling the police?
Yeah, man, I've seen you here before.
I am the police. Pardon?
Yeah, I've seen you here before, sir. We don't need your help, thank you.
You. Get out of my house! Want you out! I'm the chief of police of County PG. Get out of my house! Get out of my house! And leave the dog!
Their weird actions got people wondering if they had a connection to the real residents. It's a head-scratcher in the Golden State. In a nail-biting moment, a lady's doorbell camera captured the incredible scene. Her dear dog leaped out of the window. Without hesitation, she sprang into action, defying fear and gravity.
Oh my God, get back! Clarence! Oh my God!
Her determination paid off, securing a miraculous, odds-defying catch. Under the cloak of darkness, a spooky figure crept into the yard. With ghostly precision, it snatched the air compressor, leaving behind an eerie emptiness. Late one night, the doorbell camera recorded something strange. In the video, a man stands outside, raising his hand at the window, seeking help from the homeowner. We're left wondering, what could this mysterious visitor be up to?
Help? Can I use a phone to call a cab? No problems, man. You know me? Yep.
When you have gotten out on the wrong side of the bed, something like this may happen. This man is ready to take the ride, not knowing the robbers, ready to steal his car. The man could do nothing but watch. The video reminds us to take safety measures while driving at midnight. Something very weird is seen in this doorbell clip. A man, with his face covered, appeared from somewhere with a can of gasoline, which he started spreading on the cars parked outside. He then committed a very unlawful act by setting the cars on fire.